1-minute pocket dump, generic Walmart AirPods, generic Lowe's sunglasses, Swags Kizer chili pepper, Pacific Salt by Spyderco, wallet. Inside the wallet I have a Ultatack flashlight, Amazon, some duct tape, and then Fresnel lens with a Fisher Pace space pen attached to it, a tile, and there's also a 1-inch razor blade in there. The phone is a Samsung Note, and then I have an S2 baton, just a baton mini. My keys, obviously, a small Pelican flashlight, backup, Leatherman squirt, and a quick release baby mace. All right. Oh, and I'm a surfer, and sometimes I stuff it all in a fanny pack if I'm wearing board shorts. Have a great day.